Hi, Park. I thought perhaps this would be an easier way to kind of see what I was talking about. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a quiz. And this quiz is going to be formative, or a SWIC. We call it SWIC. And this SWIC will be formative, but it will go in the grade book. So let's say I pick this class here. And I click quizzes. And I'm going to create a quiz. And I'll call it SWIC. And I'm going to use some other notation here so I know which one this is. And I'm going to say this is graded. I'm going to post this to PowerSchool, shuffle the answers. I'm going to allow multiple attempts. They can have as many attempts they want. This is for mastery, so it is not the highest score. It's not about points. It's about knowing and learning. So therefore it's about the latest. What do they know now? And the students will be able to see, but only after their attempt. And no, they're not going to be able to find the correct answers from a quiz. They have to learn it some other way. I'm going to have them show just one question at a time and lock the questions after answering. And then I can assign it to my class and put the time on there. For the questions, I'm going to click New Question Group, click on Question Bank, and then I find whatever bank I want to pull off of. And let's say I'll have maybe 3 questions off of this one. I'll make it 1 point each. Okay, create group. Then I'll do another bank to pull off of. And I'll use the second SWIC here. And maybe another 3 questions from that one, 1 point each. Create group. And let's link it to one more bank. And we'll do the third one. And again, let's just do another 3 questions. Create group. And now I can save this quiz and publish it. I'm just going to save it since I don't really want it to be published in my course. And so let's preview this quiz now. See what it looks like. This will be from the student standpoint. So here are the questions, and I'm just going to go ahead and toggle these. Just picking random answers here. I believe that's my last one. Let's see how I did. Let's see, I guess I got 2.5 out of 9. I don't know how I did that exactly. Oh, evidently one of those was a multiple answer. And I had part of it right, but not the whole thing. So I can come through here and I can see which ones I missed. And I can then follow up with remediation. And if I want to, I can go ahead and preview the quiz again. And this will be a totally different set of questions than before. This is something about my parachutist. Not the same question as before. This is a totally different question. And so I can keep on taking this over and over and over again, and it will keep on putting the grade into PowerSchool. Although I haven't tried that part yet exactly, but I assume that it does. And that's how it works. It is an awesome tool. The problem is getting those banks of questions. There's two ways to do that. One way is that you can make it right in Canvas. That takes a while. The other way is that you can put it into Word, do a little bit of coding, and I found a website that will let you convert it into a QTI file, zip file, which is what's needed to upload into Canvas. And I got 2.33 that time out of 9, so I didn't do any better. And that's the score it keeps. So anyway, so the question really gets down to is how can you create those test banks? And you can create the test bank in Canvas by starting a new quiz, and that's one way you can do it. Another way you can create it is externally and then import it into Canvas. What Matt and I have decided we're going to do is I'm going to make test banks for some of the units, and he's going to make test banks for some of the units, and we're going to collaborate and kind of share those banks. And we're both taking kind of a formative approach to it. If you have any other questions, like how to make those banks, how to export them, how to import them, that kind of stuff, let me know.